When an aircraft emergency erupts on a runway, there is absolutely zero margin for error. Traditional city fire engines are completely useless against thousands of gallons of burning aviation fuel. Instead, airports rely on massive, highly specialized mechanical titans. These airport rescue and firefighting vehicles are engineered to accelerate like sports cars, despite weighing up to 40 tons, carrying internal oceans of water and chemical foam to crush infernos in seconds. Today, we open a forensic engineering audit into 6 of the most powerful, advanced firefighting machines on the planet, decoding the raw horsepower, structural capacities, and piercing technologies that allow them to save lives at the absolute limit. Welcome to Machinery Explained. Let's get straight to the schematics. 1. Rosenbauer Panther 8x8. The first line of defense, the Rosenbauer Panther 8x8, represents the absolute pinnacle of rapid intervention aviation defense. When a pilot declares an in-flight emergency, this heavy-duty Titan positions itself as the primary shield for passengers, flight crews, and critical aviation infrastructure. Mechanically, the Panther is propelled by an advanced 8x8 all-wheel drive platform, integrated with a high-performance engine that unleashes between 700 and over 1,000 horsepower. This immense powertrain allows a fully loaded, multi-ton vehicle to smash down taxiways at blistering top speeds ranging from 115 to 140 kilometers per hour. The onboard fire suppression matrix is structurally massive. The Panther carries an internal water reservoir holding between 12,000 and 19,000 liters, paired with a specialized foam concentrate tank ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 liters. To deploy this chemical payload safely, its high-capacity firefighting roof turret projects a pressurized stream of water or foam up to a distance of 70 to 100 meters, allowing crews to fully suppress large-scale aviation fires while maintaining a safe tactical distance from explosive heat zones. 2. Oshkosh Striker 6x6. The piercing monster at first glance, the Oshkosh Striker 6x6 feels less like a traditional emergency vehicle and far more like an armored military machine. Measuring a staggering 1 meters in length, nearly 3 meters in width, and weighing up to 40 tons, the Striker is an absolute mountain of steel. Yet, it charges down active runways with remarkable agility thanks to a rugged 6x6 drivetrain and a heavy-duty engine churning out 600 to 700 horsepower. To prevent this massive weight from rolling or losing traction during high-speed evasive maneuvering, the vehicle utilizes the proprietary TAC-4 independent suspension system. The true operational signature of the Striker 6x6 is its aggressive, close-quarters fire suppression capability. It houses 10,000 to 12,000 liters of water, over 1,500 liters of foam, and an independent reservoir of dry chemical powder. Within seconds, it can unleash this multi-agent payload to completely overwhelm a burning aircraft engine. Crucially, its front bumper turret is engineered to spray continuously while the vehicle is in high-speed motion. But its most formidable engineering asset is the specialized nozzle system, a heavy, extendable boom armed with a hardened, piercing nozzle that mechanically punches directly through an aircraft's aluminum or composite fuselage, injecting extinguishing agents straight into the interior cabin fire zone, while keeping operators protected behind 360-degree cabin glass and an array of thermal imaging cameras. 3. Magirus Air Corps TAF-35. The remote combat drone. It sounds completely impossible to extinguish a raging aviation inferno without human firefighters directly approaching the danger zone. But the Magirus Air Corps TAF-35 completely rewrites the tactical playbook. The TAF-35 is a highly advanced, remote-controlled robotic firefighting drone designed explicitly to enter ultra-hazardous environments where toxic gases, structural collapses, and extreme radiant heat make human survival impossible. Instead of relying on traditional high-pressure hoses, the Air Corps utilizes an industrial turbine system that generates an overwhelming air current of 60,000 to 105,000 cubic meters per hour. This massive air blast atomizes an internal water or foam output of up to 4,700 liters per minute into a fine, heat-absorbing mist, throwing it across a range of 60 to 80 meters. The entire robotic unit navigates rough terrain on a heavy-tracked chassis at precise operational speeds up to 9 kilometers per hour by utilizing a remote digital link with an operational range of 300 meters. Human crews can command this mechanical combatant from total safety while it battles directly inside the smoke bank. 4. Ferrara Infernus Super Pumper. The industrial flood, the Ferrara Infernus Super Pumper, is absolutely not built for ordinary municipal fires. It is a highly specialized asset engineered to confront catastrophic industrial disasters at airport fuel farms, oil refineries, and massive fuel storage hubs. When an entire aviation fuel depot ignites, standard apparatus are instantly vaporized by the heat. The super pumper counteracts this by unleashing a staggering volume of water and foam concentrate, creating a literal moving wall of water that can reach over 150 meters in height to instantly drown the source of ignition. Mechanically, this machine is constructed over a brutal, heavy-duty custom Ferrara chassis, driven by a 600-horsepower industrial engine. The core engineering marvel is its specialized internal pumping matrix. Operating independently, the truck delivers an impressive 5,500 gallons per minute GPM. However, when it hitches directly into high-pressure industrial water main networks, the super pumper's manifold system opens up to exceed a phenomenal 10,000 gallons per minute, utilizing massive deck monitors to transform a localized water supply into an artificial flash flood that completely overpowers the industrial fuel fire. 5. Bronto Skylift F-12 HLA. The high-altitude ladder aviation emergencies do not always occur on the flat surface of a runway. They can strike high-capacity double-decker aircraft or airport control towers. Enter the Bronto Skylift F-12 HLA, an aerial platform that reaches a staggering working height of 112 meters, paired with a massive horizontal outreach capability of 32 to 33 meters. This heavy-duty rescue platform can safely transport a payload of 500 to 700 kilograms, allowing 4 to 8 fully equipped rescue technicians to ascend simultaneously. To support this massive vertical extension, the entire truck weighs between 60 and 70 tons, resting over a heavy, multi-axle carrier chassis. Its structural boom assembly combines highly articulated and telescopic steel sections, enabling a full 360-degree continuous rotation profile, while the rescue basket itself rotates plus or minus 60 degrees to navigate tight angles. The moment it arrives on scene, heavy hydraulic outriggers deploy automatically to level and stabilize the massive truck in seconds. Armed with a built-in, high-capacity water monitor running up the length of the boom, the F-12 HLA gives crews the ability to rain down suppressive fire from extreme, unapproachable heights. From the fuselage-piercing hydraulic booms of the Western Hemisphere to the high-volume industrial pumps and automated robotic turbines of Europe, these 6 heavy-duty machines prove that airfield safety is entirely driven by uncompromised mechanical engineering. They are the ultimate line of defense when things go wrong at the aviation matrix. Drop a comment below letting us know which of these 6 heavy airport fire trucks surprised you the most with its technical specs or capabilities. If you want to continue exploring the engineering blueprints and hidden mechanics behind the world's most powerful industrial machinery, hit that like button, subscribe to Machinery Explained, and we will see you in the next investigation.